Hi! Today I'll be telling you 5 tips to design your own superhero right now. Hello, this is Rohit here and welcome to my art channel. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, I will follow these 5 tips alongside and create a superhero by the end of the video. Practice what you preach, right? Step number 1. Story. Let me explain why this step is necessary and should be your first step. Story has always served as the backbone to any design projects, and it helps you make better design decisions. Let me show you a quick example on how the story has influenced the design of Tony Stark's Iron Man armor in the latest Avengers movies. In the first Infinity War movie, you can see that Tony Stark uses his nanotech to create a shield against a Thanos beam. Although this may be ingenious, this is essentially a design flaw. As he forms a shield to protect him against the Thanos fight, parts of his body leave him completely exposed. Although this nanotech is the cutting edge of the time, this definitely seemed to be a design flaw. And this is the story plot point that the designers of the Iron Man suit used to improve this in the Avengers Endgame movie. Instead of using nanobots from his shield and lose protection, he just uses a force field like you can see in this clip. Similarly, if you have a story before you start designing a superhero, you will be able to make informed decisions. You'll be able to finish your designs much faster than before. From your story, start designing the face. From your story points, is he a hero? Is he an anti-hero? Is he brainy? Is he muscular? Is he a genius? Is he a billionaire, playboy, philanthropist? Whatever your story point is, design the face that fits your story. Step number 3 is pose. Any superhero you see from the comics or from the movies, they have their signature stance. Superman has his hands on the waist, and Iron Man has this. I forgot what it's called. Anyway, the pose is important because it conveys his attitude and what kind of superhero he is. Having the right pose for your character resonates to your audience, and it gives them a sense of comfort seeing the character come on screen. Step number 4. Give your character a unique silhouette. Now that you have your story, face and pose, now blacken them out completely. Does he or she look unique with this completely blacked out image? Often in comics and movies, you would have seen characters coming out of the dark. Even before they come out of the dark, you know the character who's coming out. This gives a sense of anticipation for your audience, and it's a rewarding feeling. You can make your silhouette striking by giving him a unique pose, or giving him extra features on his suit, or giving him a stance that makes him uniquely apart. Step number 5. Tools. What does Captain America, Thor, and the Batman have in common? They each have their unique tools or weapons. Captain America has his shield, Thor has his hammer, and Batman has his batarang, and many others. This option could be optional, but having a special weapon for your superhero could give you great opportunities for unique storylines and interesting relationship with our hero's tool. This scene from Thor Ragnarok shows how important the weapon could be for your hero.
Sounds like you had a pretty special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and that losing it was almost comparable to losing a loved one.
It's a nice way of putting it.
By just showing your hero's weapon, you could get your audience hyped up, and potentially you could set up for a big hero moment. Following these 5 steps, here is my completed superhero. Comment below if you'd like to see this design in my shop as a print or a sticker. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.